Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're looking after your health, looking after yourself. This is a hangout video for creators, and I'm going to talk about the rules. The rules have changed, and this is great because now there's no excuses anymore. There's nobody telling you that you should do it this way, do it that way, because the rules have changed. They've changed the rules. So if you change, they can't say that, hey, you can't do this, you can't do that, because you're not breaking the rules, you're changing the rules. You own everything and you have freedom now. The funny thing with this video, I'll try to talk about all the things that I want to talk about, but it's hard to find the things that I want to talk about because there's so much to talk about, but I don't want to talk about it so much that it will just, like I said, some of you guys will get it, some of you don't get it. The things that I didn't know back then, I know now, so I know that it's working for me, and the rules have changed. You're not breaking the rules, you're changing the rules. You own everything, and you're going to be free, and you're going to win big. I want you guys to win because without you, we can't build a world without you. So we need you to stay focused and detach yourself from anyone that's trying to throw you from your path. You need to win, and that's my motivating. Well, obviously that's not my motivating video yet because I haven't ended here. But I want you guys to just don't worry about like, oh, do it this way, do it that way. The rules have changed now. They've changed the rules, but there's a lot of things that I'm seeing, and I want to keep it real. If there's real people watching this, please let me know. If you're not, then I know that you guys are not real. Anyone who sees this video who is real, please click that like button so I know that there's somebody who's watching my videos, because if you do not click it, then it's going to be in the YouTube ocean. Like I said, it's a motivating video, so if it's going to help people, that's great. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you don't like the video, then that's fine. Anyway, there's a lot of things that I've started to see that's changed. I've noticed that a lot of things have changed. I've noticed that not many people are talking now these days. There's a lot of distractions, and I don't. The funny thing is, I don't use a mobile phone. Like, I've turned this off. Right now I'm using this because I want to look at my time, but I turn off my phone and I just focus on work. Politics, all that is just nonsense. This left, right, business, bollocks. All of this is just nonsense. If you come out of this system, you can see how phony everything is. It's all a stage, it's a joke, it's a joke job system, it's a hand system, and you know what I'm talking about. It's wickedness on different levels. My time is precious to me. If you guys didn't put the pieces together and you're still sleeping through this, then I don't know. Because if you do not get off the ignorant train right now, you are going to crash into something that I don't want you to crash into. The ship is sinking because it's crashing. The whole system is crashing. But I will use the ignorant train because a lot of people are still on this train. They're done. They're finished. In my world, there's no politicians. There's no politics. There's no left and right. There's so many things that's in this system, this world. It's all just fake. It's just nonsense. Let me tell you right now, I'm just chilling, enjoying myself. Yes, it's tough. I'm not going to say that it's easy, but I enjoy what I do. I like what I do, and the first time ever in my life, I can actually say I enjoy making these videos. I'm actually enjoying what I'm doing for the first time, and with the right information, it will set you free. And this is the reason why when you see these videos, I'm telling you right now, it's working for me, and you don't have to follow the crowd, because if you follow the crowd, Buzz Lightyear, he's not going to save you when that train crashes. So when it goes down, then you know. Again, the rules have changed. People have changed. The energy, like, I can read someone's energy just like that, and I can tell if they're on the 5D or 3D by the way they talk, the way they react, and how much they know. Sometimes they might know more than you, and that's good, because if they know more than you what is going on, then you can stay on that. Put it this way, if you can have a good conversation with someone that can just understand everything what is going on, then that person is going to be your reinsurance, because that person is going to help you win big, and you are going to help that person to win big, because together it's all about that love connection. And I know people don't like love, but you need to be honest with yourself. Without that, you are going to lose. You need love. This world is a stage. You can do whatever you want to do. It's all a big joke. So, because they made it as a big joke. You didn't. The ones who are controlling this Mickey Mouse system. If they were smart, then we'll be sleeping right now, because they are trying to distract you with all these movies and everything else. It's like it doesn't work anymore. You're done. Like I said, it's all about, yeah, out with the old, in with the new. Wickedness has done. Now it's time for goodness. It's time to move into peacetime and keep it real now. There's too much fakeness. There's fakeness on YouTube. There's fakeness with the jobs. There's fakeness in the system. There's fakeness in this creative industry and all these other industries. There's too much fakeness. It's just, you can see what is going on. This is the reason why I'm like, I don't know if these people who are subscribed to my channel are real. I don't know if you guys are real. If you're just watching my stuff because you want to see my badass animation stuff, that's good. I'm happy that you're here, but show some support. Show me some gratitude so you guys are alive, so I know you guys are real. If you're not, then I know that you guys are not real and someone is watching me. End of the day, I know what is going on, and I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, and I'm protected. So like I said, I have no grudges against any of these people. I just want you guys to be smart. And this is the reason why these people, oh, not these people, these extraterrestrials are not going to come and show themselves until you guys know peace. So I know they're going to come, but they're only going to come when people actually get it. And only a few who get it. But change is good. The rules have changed. You can change whatever you want. You could do whatever you want. It's your time now. And there's no right way. There's no wrong way. So when people say, why are you doing it this way? Why are you doing it that way? It doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, this world is a stage. It's a joke. The whole system is a big, giant cartoon fest. I call it a cartoon fest. It's just Mickey Mouse dudes and girls acting like they have power, but like you have lost so much of this power. It's just hilarious. Like I feel sorry for you. Like I really want to I really want to just say it's okay. Maybe you don't get it now, but hopefully you will get it in the next lifetime. So I'm not going to hold no grudges against anyone, because like I said, the old Ezekiel would have held a grudge and realize, like, oh man, all the time that been wasted on this and this and this. I'm going to do it my way now, and it's working for me. That just exposed the whole system, like Hateful Eight. You just told me your whole life story, and only you wanted was a blanket, and you sucked on that black dingus. That was you. Oh, it's not you, but I'm talking about the Gollum clan people who done that. But anyway, the main thing is, I have no grudges against you people, because you only know what they know, obviously. They only know what they know. I can't hold any grudges against any of these people, because at the end of the day, this is what karma is. And people can't say that this is not karma, because when you do wickedest things, that energy is just going to come back straight to you. I've seen it too many times with ignorant people, when they say a lot of things and then this is what happens. It comes back to you. When I give out good energy, like I said, I want people to win. And if you're going to act like a waste man Yamcha, that's a choice. You don't have to be a waste man Yamcha or a stimpy female. Do the work now, because I hope you're doing the work, because I know you're doing the work, because I've been watching you, because I could telepathically see what you're seeing. I can actually see what you're doing right now, even though you feel that yeah, you're doing some good stuff there. Let me see what you're doing. Yeah, you're doing some good stuff. I hope you ain't doing what I think you're doing, because yeah, I told you, if you're not creating, then you're doing something else. But I'm gonna leave it there. I hope you guys are doing the work, and I see you when I see you in the next video. So yeah, I know there's a lot of things I'm going up and down in this video. What I've learned from all of this, there's no excuse. The world is a stage. You could do whatever you want. It's a joke. Don't follow whatever they say you should do or what they want you to do, because it's just it doesn't really matter, because you just told me your whole life story, like Hateful Eight. You just basically told everyone what the system is and how ridiculous this system is, and it doesn't matter what system you're going to create. It's a big joke anyway. So yeah, you just basically crawled on that floor and done that. But I'm not going to waste time on you, because yeah, you just only know what you know, and I'm not going to be angry at you, because end of the day, you're only human. And and I only can see why we are in this state, because if people don't learn from this, and obviously this is the reason why when people do dumb things, oh, silly things, this is good, because we need stupid people so we can learn to be smart. So it's okay to be stupid, not to be completely stupid like Goku whack, because that's when you don't get any love and support from there, because how do you get any respect from being completely stupid? But yeah, I'm going to end it here because I've been talking. So yeah, that's my video for you. And yes, the rules have changed. You can do whatever you want. There's no excuses. You do it your way because they just told you that this system is a stage, is a joke, and if you do not get it and if you don't know what I'm talking about, then obviously you're still on that train. That I don't want you to be on that train. So if you get off the next stop, you got 5 stops coming. So hopefully you're not going to stay on the train when it crashes. Yeah, I see you when I see you, like Ocean 11. Take care, and yeah, I've been doing a lot of talking. So yeah, this video has been crazy, this video, but hopefully you guys get it, and hope this video was entertaining for you and helpful for you. So yeah, that's it. Like this video, subscribe, and yeah, and if you are real, let me know if you are real, because there's a lot of fakeness everywhere that I see now. Yeah, let me know, and yeah, I can't wait to see you guys doing your thing. So yeah, keep doing what you're doing.